Hey everybody, we're back. We're going to do some cooking tonight for you guys. Got my neighbor here and got my cousin and my aunt from Minnesota here. So it's time for some Dutch oven cooking. We're going to do some teriyaki chicken for you and Dutch oven potatoes. We're going to get everything started up here right as soon as this charcoal's ready to roll. So we'll see you back in a minute. Okay everybody, here we go. Got the charcoal ready. We're going to do some teriyaki chicken in this 16-inch Dutch oven. We're going to do some Dutch oven potatoes in the 14-inch Dutch oven. So we got some chicken, some honey, brown sugar, onions and garlic. That goes in almost all of our dishes. We love onions and garlic around here. So let's get started, shall we? Just dump some out.
What it is.
Try not to drop it on the ground. It's pretty dry around here. We want to get a nice boil going on this stuff. Teriyaki chicken, so we're just going to put a bunch now. Get our chicken in there. We're going to do legs and thighs today. Hopefully we can get it all in this 16-inch. Got to get it cooked before the flies pack it all off. A few messages from you guys that are watching. I greatly appreciate all your views and your comments and subscriptions and everything.
And that made it even 10 times better.
You know, I haven't got a bad one yet. It's all been good comments and suggestions. I greatly appreciate it from each and every one of you. I want you to keep it coming. Let me know what you do yourself and how they turn out. The whole thing. We got teriyaki sauce. We'll dump right on top here.
What do you mean?
And then we take our brown sugar. Hopefully I can open it now. My fingers are slipped with the chicken. I don't think I can. Dig out my knife. We already got a little bit of a boil going here, so that's going to be perfect. And on this chicken, you just do this, put it in, and let it cook. Super easy dish. Just got to have a little time to do it. You're supposed to use, I think it's 2 cups of brown sugar. I think you guys know it's me by now. We're just going to put some in here. Put some brown sugar in there. That looks like about 2 cups, doesn't it? Then we're going to put some honey in it. Right now before I stab myself. Add some honey to this little sweet bugger. Anyway, I just got back from Colorado today from my job. Took a little video of that for you guys. I'm going to post that too. I hope you guys enjoy it. There's our onions and garlic in it. Okay, that's literally it for this dish. And we'll just let her get hot and we'll stir it every so often. Huh? Turkey? We'll video the turkey. Let's show them the great outdoors. See the turkeys? Where do you see them? Oh, I do see them over there in the brush, yeah. You see them? Move it.
I counted 2 of those walks. Oh, yeah, 9. He's got about 9 of them over there. Yeah.
Christmas, Thanksgiving, doesn't matter what holiday it is. That's when we decide to go back. Try to kill each other. So, it's just Thanksgiving. And they will turkey shoots too. We make sure it's shot. But one of the reasons I named it that way.
Alright guys, had to get my gloves, it's pretty hot. So, got them turkeys on there. Make sure they're in the video when I edit it. We're going to start our Dutch oven potatoes. Take and fry up some bacon. Fry up some bacon, I gotta get some more charcoal going. Sure tell it's summertime, you get a lot of flies around here. Just throw this bacon in here, fry it up. Nice and crispy, the crispier the better. Get as much of the fat out of it as you can. Then we'll pull it out. Then we'll put the potatoes in, fry them up. And once the potatoes are all fried up with the onions and garlic, and then once they're done, we'll put cheese over the top of it, and then crumble the bacon on top of the cheese, and let it all melt in together. It's a good little dish. So, alright, let me get this place cleaned up, and I'll be back in a minute. Thanks. Almost forgot the most important part of this teriyaki chicken, the beard. Let me get a little bit of that in there, about a half a can. Got a lot of spectators up there that'll finish the rest of it for me. Got out a little beer that helps tenderize everything up. Alright, here we go. Got a nice little boil going on that now. Alright. Okay, everybody, that's our bacon. That's our bacon frying. We're gonna stir up our chicken, kind of show you what it looks like a little bit there. All that will melt down in and it'll just become like a sauce. I've had more compliments about this than almost any other dish I've done. It's all that teriyaki sauce and pure goodness. And that beer. Just let her boil up in about an hour. I don't time nothing. That's the bad thing about me. I can't give you a time. We'll get her boiling. Might have to put some more charcoal under it. And then get it boiling up. And that chicken will just be juicy and just fall right off the bone. So, alright folks. See you in a minute. Alright folks, while this is cooking, like I said earlier, I appreciate all the comments and everything I get from you guys. I went up and checked my phone and I got a couple of new comments. One is from Trish. She said, that just came across the video and really enjoyed it. I only cook with cast iron, but just getting started on Dutch oven. We'll be watching more videos, thank you. It's just like that. I appreciate that, Trish. Thanks for commenting on my video. And there's another one from Trey. It says, or not Trey, Trev, sorry. Very good, control your cast iron. I usually burn the blank out of mine. So that happens. I've done that plenty myself, especially when I use regular wood charcoal, burning the fire, get the charcoal out. It's real hard to maintain your heat, but with charcoal, it's super easy. If you want to fry something or get something to a boil, you just put a bunch down, keep stirring it, make sure it doesn't stick. But if you want a 350 degree oven, you got a 16-inch here, so you would have 16 on the bottom, 16 on top, and then you would pull 4 off the bottom, put them at the top, so you would have 12 on the bottom and 20 on the top. That'll give you about a 350 degree oven. But when you do that, you still have to turn it, about a quarter turn. Turn the whole oven and then spin your lid. So that way you don't get no hot spots, it keeps it even. But when you're frying like this, Not really worried about hot spots, are you? Because you want hot spots. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna have to get more hot spots under it. I got some charcoal over there going. So I got to get this bacon fry a little faster. So as soon as that charcoal's ready, I'm gonna put it under there and get frying it. So anyway, appreciate all the comments. I read the ones about doing a maintenance and care on Dutch oven and cleaning it. I'll make sure I get that soon. The potato soup, I promise you guys, I'll get that going here real soon. And that's all I got for right now. Thanks. Alright everybody, we got a storm or something coming in, so I'm going to switch to propane so we can get it done faster. Hate to do that, but got my spectators up there. They're hungry. They want to get eaten. They're going to get mad at me pretty soon. So, see if we can get this over here without burning myself all up. Well, I'll get this switched over and come back. Alright, we got a good fry going on now. Bacon's almost done. Once it's done, we'll get the potatoes in there. Yep. We got, took my spoon away, dang it.
Oh, okay.
You always want to have gloves when you're doing. Probably got a good rolling boil now, yep. We're going to swap a little bit here. Oh yeah. Really wanting to do this whole dish with charcoal, but weather is not cooperating. We love bacon, just about done. Let's try to turn that down a little bit. Oh yeah, getting where it's overdone now. Alright, I'm going to get a plate, get the potatoes, and I'll come back to you. Okay everybody, take this bacon out. Put some paper towels down, soak up that grease first. You want the bacon good and crispy. Maybe not quite this crispy, but you want it good and crispy because you want all the fat out of it, use it, and then you want it where you can crumble it at the end. Alright. We'll put the potatoes in. Put some of my rub in that I make, I guess. I just take a bunch of different stuff, throw it together, and I like seasoning on potatoes. Can't over season potatoes in my opinion. Garlic and onions. We're gonna throw some garlic and onions on there. Got spectators up there looking at us, making fun of me. You guys know how it is when you're going down doing all the cooking and all the hard work, and you got everybody up there just laughing, having a good time, and drinking their beer and their wine. There I am down here, 95 degrees outside, standing in front of a barbecue. So who's the smart one around here, huh? Sure don't think it's me. Alright, we'll let that get frying up good. I don't know if you can see it, but we got a good boil going on this. And I went back and got my spoon back. See how once it gets hot, all that juice is pretty thin, so a lot of people like to use that juice on the potatoes too. Once you're all done, put some juice on potatoes. It's pretty good. Alright folks, see you in a bit. Alright folks, Got everything frying up really good. Kind of had a little disaster though. All right, not a disaster, but